Alright everybody, thanks for joining me again today. This time I'll be doing an unboxing on a Poptopia mystery box for Funko Pops. For anybody just starting in the Funko Pop collection, or just anybody in general who enjoys collecting Funko Pops, this is a good deal. Every Wednesday and Sunday they have new mystery boxes. It's $25 per mystery box. You get 2 pops in each mystery box. One is a guaranteed exclusive chase grail, and the other one is a common. But usually you do get close to your money back or more. In this box I ordered, I think from last Sunday's mystery boxes. I did get 2 of them in this box, so there'll be 4 pops in here. Now the good thing about the Poptopia mystery boxes is they do put all their pops in pop protectors, which is great for the value. I mean, you can't beat that. There it goes. So this is one of the hits. I'm going to try to save it for last. The 2 hits. And I think this is another one of the hits. Now I did get looks like a congratulations paper, which usually means you got a big hit, which I'm not going to look at it because I'd like to be surprised myself. Alright, so here's one of the commons. This is the back, this is the front. I'm going to let you all see it first. I'm not even going to look at it. It's a good one. Alright, got the Green Giant. Got Sprout. It's pretty cool. Alright. The other one. This should also be the other common. Alright guys, so here's the other common. So we got Bo Peep. Now my little niece will love this one. Alright, now we're going to go for one of the hits, which there was going to be 2 hits we knew in this box. We just didn't know what kind of exclusives we're going to get. Okay, so here's the top, here's the front and back. Oh, I can already tell it's a Dragon Ball. Got the Super Saiyan God Goku. That's pretty awesome. I've actually been wanting one of these for my collection. I started out with these mystery boxes probably like last month, and it actually had a Dragon Ball Z Whis in it, which I think the value right now is around $115, and it was one of the big hits of the month or the week for that box. Alright, so check out, this will be the other hit. Top, front, alright, here it is guys. Got One Punch Man, Satama. I'm really not that I really don't know a whole lot about this show. I've had a lot of friends tell me a lot of good things about it, but I've never personally watched it myself. So guys, bear with me for a second and I'll get my phone and we'll check out some of these prices. Now I do use Pop Price Guide for mine. Some people use the Funko app. I feel like this one tends to be a little closer to what they actually sell for. Alright, we'll start out with the two commons first. So Sprout comes in at $8. And Bo Peep is, sure I got the right one. She comes in at $10. One hit. Let's see, this one's a little different. So this is the Hot Topic exclusive, and it comes in at $17. It's the martial arts tournament. And then for the Super Saiyan Goku, which is also a Hot Topic exclusive, it comes in at $16. So overall, it's pretty good boxes. I got my money back. I only paid, $25 per box. And, you never know with mystery boxes. It can be hit or miss. Sometimes you come in lower, sometimes you come in higher. It's like my first ever one. I got a $115 pop, which, it's over triple what I originally invested in it. So I want to thank everybody again for joining me today. If you like my videos, like, subscribe. If you got any comments, things I can do better, let me know. Thank you.